Hi folks, it's Al from Windswept. I'm down here on a kind of windy day in Rotherham. I'm here to see how our bottles get made.
Well, this is the Beats & Clark factory in Rotherham. These are the guys who make our bottles. Bottle making, we need sand as the main ingredient. There's a few other chemicals that go into making it as well. So they get all their ingredients. You can see here there's a hopper going up to load the furnace. The furnace is running at about 1600 degrees. It's very hot in there. And in there they combine the ingredients with some recycled glass. You can see the diggers going backwards and forwards, taking up crushed glass to get ready to load into the furnace as well. And there it combines, it all melts over a period of time, running very hot till you get nice molten glass ready to make the bottles. Here it's coming out the bottom of the furnace, being chopped up into little white hot globules. You see them firing along, and then those go down to the individual moulds where the glass globule there fires in. It's hit by a mould to give it some shape, and then air is injected into the top to blow them out into to blow the bottle actually out into its bottle shape. So it's a fascinating process, and this bit is really quite warm when you're standing in there. The fumes, it's quite sulphurous and very hot standing in this area. As you can imagine, there's lots of red hot glass flying around, but it's a fantastic process to actually see, and we're very grateful to the Beats & Clark guys for hosting us on this visit. Anyway, here are the bottles being made, getting ready for their transit on to their final destiny, being filled with awesome beer. Millions of bottles are produced in this factory. Here they are all lining up, getting ready to go for their final quality inspection prior to being released. So they all line up, pass along here. The next stage is the top is just stamped. They're still hot and slightly soft at this stage. So the top is just being stamped down to make sure it's level so the caps stick. And then there's lots of laser quality control which checks the bottles. The ones that don't quite make it, I'm afraid they're back off to be recycled, back into the pile, and they'll be melted down and then join the rest. The ones that do pass all the quality control checks, well, they're off for their beery destiny back at Windswept. These ones are being loaded up, ready to make up the layers on the pallet, and the pallet's then heat sealed all around so nothing can get to the bottles, and then it's dispatched up to us up at Windswept. So hope you've enjoyed the tour.